Do you think perfect roast potatoes need an air fryer or expensive fats? Nope. These crispy golden beauties are done with simple ingredients, an ancient secret trick, and just a touch of disrespect for tradition. Now you could leave these baby potatoes intact, quick to cook and rustic, but I'm peeling today. Peeled, brisk, circumcised, whatever you want to call it. Smooth potatoes allow for maximum crispiness. All will be revealed. What's your preference, ladies? Parboiling is the first step to fluffy insides. Cover your potatoes with water. Don't drown them, we're cooking, not baptizing. And toss in a heaped teaspoon of salt. Skip this step and you'll end up with sad, soggy spuds. And we don't do sad spuds around here. Now for the fat. I'm using traditional motor oil. It's affordable and doesn't make me feel like I should be wearing a monocle. Goose fat, tallow, sure, if you're feeling rich and compensating for not knowing how to roast properly. But for us peasants, Veggie seed oil motor oil does the job beautifully. Here's where the magic happens. Rough up those spuds like they've invaded your country. Again. Forks only. No lid shaking nonsense unless you want mashed potatoes instead of crispy, crunchy roasties. Stick around because the next step makes them unstoppable. Carefully drop the potatoes into the hot oil. Listen to that sizzle. It's the sound of crispy edges being born. Turn them once or twice, but don't rush it. Remember, patience separates the gods of crispiness from the soggy mortals. By the way, what's your opinion? Goose fat, tallow, or is veggie oil the true proletariat king? But don't come for me unless your spuds look a lot better than mine. I will duke it out with you on Facebook. And there they are, crispy golden and utterly perfect roast potatoes. Fluffy on the inside, but a crunch so good it's basically ASMR. Air fryers, they're great, but overrated for roast potatoes. This is the real deal. What's your favourite potato twist? Rosemary, garlic, or maybe just a drizzle of smug self-satisfaction? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Oh, and next week, I'm tackling spice bags. Again. So hit subscribe to join the notification gang.